Welcome to the APTIS speaking test. You will answer some questions about yourself and then do 3 short speaking tasks. Listen to the instructions and speak clearly into your microphone when you hear the signal. Each part of the test will appear automatically. The test will take about 12 minutes. Part 1. In this part, I'm going to ask you 3 short questions about yourself and your interests. You will have 30 seconds to reply to each question. Begin when you hear the sound. What is your job like? Can you describe yourself? Describe what makes you happy. You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 2. In this part, I'm going to ask you to describe a picture. Then I will ask you 2 questions about it. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe this picture. Why is it important to share experiences? Tell me about a popular event in your country. You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. In this part, I'm going to ask you to compare two pictures, and I will then ask you two questions about them. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear the sound. Describe these pictures. What kind of people do you think go to these places? Where would you rather be at this moment? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 4. In this part, I'm going to show you a picture and ask you 3 questions. You will have 1 minute to think about your answers before you start speaking. You will have 2 minutes to answer all 3 questions. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Look at the photograph. When was the last time you did a puzzle? How did you feel when you finished it? What is the appeal of solving puzzles? You have 1 minute to think about your answers. You can take notes if you wish. You now have 2 minutes to talk. This is the end of the test.